This is why you need to take care of your teeth. They can't repair themselves like the rest of your body can. Teeth are the only organs in your body that can't heal on their own. The outer layer, called enamel, isn't living tissue, no blood vessels, no nerves, no repair cells. So when your enamel cracks or decays, it can't fix itself. Your bones break, they heal. Skin gets cut, it closes up. But a damaged tooth, it needs a dentist. That's why cavities don't just disappear. Brushing, flossing, and regular checkups are your best defense. Remember, protect your teeth now to avoid problems later. Keep smiling.